guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make your very own DIY Nourishing Scalp Exfoliator. That is great for stimulating hair growth, and also it is great to use if you have dry scalp. And also the good thing about this is the majority of the ingredients can only be found in your kitchen. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. So the first and main ingredient that we are going to be using is sugar. Now for this, you can use brown sugar, wash sugar, or muscovado sugar. Now sugar can gently exfoliate the scalp because it is easily dissolved and it rinses out without leaving any residue on the hair. It also helps improve the circulation of the blood flow in your scalp, so it promotes hair growth. It is also said that it helps fight oiliness on the scalp and it helps detoxify it. So not only you are removing all the gunk more efficiently on the scalp, but you're also nixing dead skin cells, so it allows the conditioner or your shampoo to penetrate efficiently, so you're getting a deeper clean and a better moisture all at the same time. Now the next ingredient that we will be using is honey. Now honey is a great emollient, which means it seals moisture in your hair, keeping your hair conditioned. Honey also keeps your scalp and hair healthy because it strengthens the hair follicles and curbing hair fall. It also has some antibacterial and antiseptic qualities that can prevent scalp infections and soothes issues like dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis. Okay, so the last two ingredients that we will be using are going to be the coconut oil and almond oil. Actually, you can only use one oil, but I decided to use both. Now I'm using coconut oil because we all know that coconut oil is extremely moisturizing and soothing to the scalp. It strengthens your hair shaft, it stimulates hair growth by getting deep into the hair follicles, and promotes scalp health, fighting against problems such as insect bites, lice, and dandruff. And I'm also going to be using almond oil because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and magnesium that are all great for nourishing and strengthening your hair. And this is also an optimal treatment for hair loss and damaged hair. Plus the almond oil is going to add silkiness and shine to your hair while nourishing your scalp. So in a small bowl, I will add in 2 tablespoons of wash sugar, and then also 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and then I will add in 2 tablespoons of almond oil and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then mix them all together. So I will also make a muscovado version. So for this, I just used 2 cubes of muscovado sugar, and then I added in 2 teaspoons of honey and 3 teaspoons of coconut oil and mix it all in. Alright, so now I have these containers right here that looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those with the scrubs. Now, to extend its shelf life, you can actually store this in the refrigerator as well. And by the way, you can also add in some essential oils for this if you want. But I really wanted to make something that everybody can just find in their household, ingredients that are actually convenient and accessible for you guys. So now let's apply it onto our scalp. Now for me, I personally like to work by sections just so that it will be easier for me to get every part of my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in the areas that my scalp needs exfoliation and hydration. And also when you apply this or rub this on your scalp, rub it in a circular motion, just like this. And if you guys notice, on this other side, I use the wash sugar version, and on this side, I use the muscovado version. And I highly recommend that you guys use the muscovado version if you have very sensitive scalp, just because this is going to be more gentle on the scalp for you to use. All right, now I'm gonna leave that on my scalp for 10 minutes and then wash it off with my shampoo later. So you guys, this is the result. I really do like how my scalp right now feels very soft and clean as well, and especially in the areas to where the scrub went on the top part of my hair right here. How I wish I put it all over my hair, but it's kind of messy. And also one thing that I found that is very helpful is that when you apply it on your hair, it's good to apply the scrub when your hair is actually somewhat damp or wet, because it's easy to apply on your scalp and all that. But for me, I like putting it on my dry hair. And I actually find for me that I feel like my scalp is more smoother and hydrated if I applied it on my scalp when it's dry and not really wet, because I feel like you can really get into those areas and scrub them off, just because sometimes if your hair is already wet, the sugar melts off easily, so you don't have time anymore to rub because the sugar melts that quickly. So that's why I like to do for me, what I call a dry rub. But it totally depends on you guys. For me, I just really like how whenever I do this, it just makes the top part of my hair very, very soft and smooth. And I think that sometimes most of us just really concentrate on the mid part or the lower part of our hair, and sometimes we neglect our scalp. That supposedly our scalp should be also our priority as well, because this is where your hair actually is situated. So if your scalp is not healthy, if your scalp is dry, if you have any scalp issues or whatever, it does affect your hair growth and the quality of your hair as well. So that's why it is very important to take care of our scalp. So for me, I really, really do like this scrub. It actually gave my hair more kind of like volume, and I know it's rare for me to get because my hair is one length and my hair is a lot and it's heavy, so I don't really get that much volume on my hair, especially on top right here. But whenever I use this, I really do feel that my roots has a little bit of volume. And not only that, my scalp feels very soft, clean, and hydrated. And also, this is really great because the ingredients can only be found in your kitchen. It is definitely not expensive. And also, if you don't have any almond oil or coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, but for me, I really do suggest the almond oil because it is great for moisturizing not only your hair but also your scalp and your skin just in general. So that's why I really, really like using almond oil and adding it into this scrub. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what more hair DIYs you all would like me to do. And also, if you found this video valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!